Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Loan Depot Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in loandepot.com/login and press enter. You will now be taken into the login page for Loan Depot. Now in order to log into your mortgage account, click on Loan Servicing and now click on the login button. This will now take you into the login portal. Now type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the email address box and then enter your password within the password section underneath. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Loan Depot account and your mortgage services right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can find the Forgot Your Email as well as the Forgot Password button underneath the sign in section, which you can click on to reset these credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Loan Depot Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.